Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a card on mobile. First, you'll want to select a great card-making application from your phone's app store. There are many excellent options available, often offering hundreds of free templates and intuitive design tools perfect for beginners. Look for an app that provides a wide variety of fonts, fun stickers, and diverse background options to truly personalize your creation. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable card-making experience. Once your app is chosen, it's time to dive into the design process. You can either select one of the many pre-made templates or begin with a completely blank canvas for a truly unique card. Next, add your heartfelt message using the text tool and incorporate any personal photos or fun stickers. Remember to adjust the colors, fonts, and sizes to perfectly match your vision, ensuring your card looks exactly how you imagined it. Now, let's refine your card with some customization. Most apps offer robust editing tools, allowing you to crop images, apply artistic filters, and enhance the overall visual appeal. Don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts and arrangements to find what works best for your message. It's a good idea to preview your card frequently throughout this stage. This helps you catch any small errors or areas that could be improved before the final step. Finally, with your beautiful card complete, it's time to save and share it. Most applications allow you to save your finished creation in a high-resolution format, like a JPEG or PNG file, ensuring excellent quality. You can then easily share your digital card directly through various messaging applications or even post it on social media. For a physical touch, consider printing your card at home or utilizing a professional printing service for a polished result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.